What's in my car? Everyday carry. Apartment maintenance edition. Let's go. I'm a multi-site apartment maintenance technician, and these are the tools I carry around with me in my car. Most accessible on top is just a container for hardware. What I keep in here is what you see, wire nuts. I got lots of various wires and other screws, toggle bolts. I've got some acid test kits for compressors and a bin full of different types of drill bits. Next to this is my HVAC repair bag. The HVAC bag contains stuff just for HVAC repairs, mainly on rooftops. I've got various caps, lots of wire connectors, Schrader quarry valve removal tools, and just some other stuff. This is still a big work in progress. I've got some vacuum rated hoses and an extra hose for recovery. Keep an extension cord in here. Just got this, plan on reviewing this. It's a nitro flow indicator, very handy. And then just some sandpaper, electric tape, fittings for vacuum pumps, swage tool, wet rag, another cool thing that I just bought, some putty, absorbs heat, very awesome. Service wrench for the service valve. I'm not going to call it a king valve. Actually, I call it a king valve just to piss people off. Inspection mirror, cutters, pen in there, striker. And I've got some copper tube extensions, extra cutters in there. I've got an engraver for marking condensing units. I've got a cheater cord, micron gauge. Got a Allen wrench, 8mm. This is for opening suction line valves on the service valve. Got a couple of these screwdrivers. That's about it. As I said, this bag is new and it's a work in progress. Got a little stinger vac. It really sucks. Husky tool tote, really doesn't leave my car. I just keep specialty tools in here that I don't use every day, but I use often enough to where I need them, like a motor puller, not often used, crowbar, heat gun. Got some multi-ratch set. I'm not going to go through all of these. You can kind of see what I got here. This is for a certain Whirlpool washer brand. Got some extra wire snips, extra wire cutters. Got a crimping tool, sheet metal cutters. And that's about it for this. Shark bite removal tool. Not completely necessary, but nice to have. Got a box that is full of power tools and a couple other specialty tools. On top, I have a digital refrigerant manifold that can take superheat and subcool and other temperatures. Usually that's in the HVAC bag. Got a driver sawzall, which is used all the time. Always keep a steamer on hand. This is extremely useful for thawing out frozen freezers and fridges. Got a hammer drill that I don't use too often. Got a circular saw. This is a very handy tool, a compressor tote. Makes toting around compressors a breeze. A light. Toilet paper. I should probably replace this. Extension cord with a cheater cord that I use for solenoid valves. Another drill. Extra blades for the sawzall. Got a dryer cleaning brush that goes about 25 feet. And a multi-tool. Also a charger for all these Ryobi tools. Digital refrigerant scale, Craftsman socket set, refrigerant leak detector, and last but probably least is an endoscope. This one is kind of crap. Also keep a plunger in the trunk. That's going to do it for the trunk. This is my main workhorse, Vito Pro Pack. I've got a whole video that I update every year on everything I keep in here. This is my work order bucket. It is very handy, especially for very small plumbing repairs, which are about probably 40% of all apartment maintenance work orders. Got my ice bucket to, you know, catch water under drains. I do need a little brush just for to brush out dishwasher drain hoses and such, but that's about it for this. WD-40 foil tape, both come in handy all the time. Here I just keep stuff stocked that certain shops always seem to run out of. CLR, every property should have that. Teflon paste, every property should have this. They don't. Pressurized, this is just some spray paint, Whirlpool spray paint. One of my favorite tools of all time. Great stuff, instant glue. I use it all the time. Plumber's putty, magic lube, and then just various PVC glues, washing machine cleaner. That's about it for that. And this is my bucket of random shit. The stuff in here is just parts that I like to have on. These are just parts I like to have on stock. 3/4 inch shark bites. Ice maker hose, outlets. This is a holy crap shark bite valve that you can throw on in a pinch. Nitrogen regulator, and just various wires, smoke alarms, various types of tape. That's what I bring to work every day. Sometimes I've got HVAC repairs. I'll bring extra gauges, my torches. I'm on the road. I drive, I don't know, 20 to 50 miles a day. I like the gas mileage in this car. The car is paid off. That's why I'm not buying a truck. I don't have the cash for it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Dave, the Apartment Maintenance Pro. Hope to see you on the next one.